everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Oreomisu today. In a bowl, beat 1.5 cups of cream cheese until smooth. Now add in 1/4 cup of sugar and beat on medium-low speed until the sugar is well incorporated. Scrape the bowl and the paddle with a rubber spatula as needed throughout this process. Once the cream cheese is smooth, remove the paddle and attach a whip. Continue mixing. On medium-high speed, gradually pour in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and continue to beat until soft peaks form. Keep this in a refrigerator for a few minutes until ready to be used. Let's see the next step. For this recipe, I have used 32 Oreos and 8 by 8 baking dish. Remove the cream from Oreos. Melt this cream on high in a microwave for 30 seconds. Once the Oreo cream cools down a bit, fold it in the cream cheese and whipping cream mix, adding little at a time. This is ready. Let's move on to the next step now. In a bowl, add 2 cups of cold water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, mix until coffee dissolves completely. Set it aside. Layer the Oreos like this. Pour little coffee on top of the Oreos until they are covered with coffee. Spread in an even layer of cream cheese and whipping cream mix over the Oreos. Sift a layer of cocoa powder all over the top. Arrange remaining Oreos on top. Pour little coffee, a layer of cream. Spread it out evenly on top. Dust it with cocoa powder. Give it a gentle tap. Clean the edges. Cover it with a saran wrap and place it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Oreomisu is out of the refrigerator and it has chilled very well. Let's cut this. Oreomisu is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.